Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at this all-in-one PC by Preedip. So we're going to go ahead and take everything out of the box. In the box, what is included is the display screen and then a frame and then also the power adapter. So we're going to go ahead and take that out. You have the user manual to read before everything is put together and assembled. Here's the power cord and then the adapter for the power cord as well. We're just going to take it out of the plastic bag. And then here is the base, the frame that the screen will go on top of. And we're just going to go ahead and put it on while the screen is inside the packaging. It's just safer that way so you won't scratch anything. So once it's installed, we're going to take it out and this is what it looks like. Pretty sleek and stylish. It does come with extended warranty as well. So underneath the display, there are two USB ports for 2.0. There are two USB 3.0 ports, 1 gigabit Ethernet port, your power adapter port as well, a mic in, mic out port, and your VGA and HDMI port. So we're going to go ahead and power it on and go through the setup, which takes less than 5 minutes. So this has Intel Core i5, Windows 10, dual band Wi-Fi, 4 GB RAM, 256 GB ROM, and Bluetooth 4.2. So in terms of video quality, the playback is really nice and seamless. The quality is amazing as well. The screen has a matte finish, so it's easier to see the picture and the video without any reflection. So all in all, this is a very efficient and productive PC.